Got a lot of cleanup to do.
Cruising down the back road, speakers pumping loud. Yeah. You can feel the rumble, bass is building proud. Amplifiers humming, power all around. Subwoofers in the trunk, making round pound. Bass breaking windows, electrics in the air. Southern nights and vibes, roll without a care. When the bass drops, we all feel alive. Engine roaring down to 45. Stand, volume is high. This bass is in my soul, coming by. Got my crew all with me, windows rolled down. Banging to the rhythm, headed downtown. Heartbeat slamming thunder, my system is alive. Tree branches waving and lean to the side. Bass shakes the ground, feels like no other. Party in the country, my sisters and my brother. When the bass drops, we all feel alive. Engine roaring down to 45. The stereo blast stand, volume is high. This bass is in my soul, coming by. The street lights flicker as the monster roars. People slamming windows and locking all the doors. The bass notes are dropping and the power starts to flow. Shouting from the window, yo, keep it nice and low. When the bass drops, we all feel alive. Engine roaring down to 45. The stereo blasting, volume is high. This bass is in my soul, coming right.
Yeah, baby. I got a lot of tuning to do, but it's playing. All right, y'all. Watch this. Woo, that's a lot of wind. Got a lot of cleanup to do. Gotta love it. Doctors always, hey, back home. I'm gonna have to do a lot of tuning. I gotta sit out there and get the system all balanced. Right now it's completely wonky. It will be addressed. Are you mad at me? He was getting my straw. I smacked him in the head. Anyway. Yeah, you got caught, didn't you? Little turd. But I got a lot of tuning to go. I was trying to do everything today, but it all got interrupted by doctor appointments, all that crap. And I'm hurting. So there's that. Right now I got everything set up to turn on with a switch. I got a toggle switch up front, and I like that, but I need to mount the damn switch somewhere, which means I got to tear into that and figure that out. I got a bit of a tune on it, and it sounds good. And I was going to leave my little front sub unhooked, but I think I'm going to hook that up because it really helps that front stage. And I do a lot of sound quality. Whenever I'm just cruising, and chilling myself, I listen to a lot of music that's more SQ oriented. So I like a good sound stage and a good, rich sounding front stage. But having said that, the wall brings the thunder. Absolutely brings the thunder. It's doing the thing. So I'm thinking I'm in the. I'm just guessing because I didn't have the cord I needed to plug my thing in. Now I was going to plug it in. I'm thinking I'm in the 52 range, something like that, 152, something like that, with that 8K. So we'll see. I ain't really sure. I could be higher than that. That's just a wild guess, but we'll find out. Find out shortly. I gotta get my cigarette lighter plugged in up there where I can plug that plug in, and then I can run the meter on it. I'm still trying to put things together, but the point is, I've got the system playing right now. There's still some stuff on this end, some stuff on this end that needs to be addressed. A whole lot of stuff in the back needs to be addressed, but it's playing, and it's thundering. It sounds good.